Welcome to our channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to sign up for DoorDash DashPass. First, open the DoorDash app on your smartphone or visit their website on your computer. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option to sign up for DashPass. It's usually located at the top of the screen or in the menu section. Click on the Sign Up button and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password for your DoorDash account. Make sure to choose a strong password that you can remember easily. After you've filled in your information, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button to proceed. Next, you may need to enter some additional details like your name, phone number, and address. This information is necessary for DoorDash to deliver your orders accurately and securely. Once you've entered all the required information, review your details carefully to ensure everything is correct. After verifying your information, you may be asked to set your preferences for notifications and updates from DoorDash. You can choose to receive promotional offers, updates on your orders, and more. Select your preferences and proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll likely see a summary of your account details. Double-check all the information you've provided to make sure there are no errors. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm or Submit button to complete the sign-up process. Congratulations! You've successfully signed up for DoorDash DashPass. Now you can enjoy benefits like free delivery on eligible orders, exclusive discounts, and more. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.